आज हमारा प्रेस मीट बुलाने का जो 3-4 मेन मुद्दे हैं, द मोस्ट prominent one is intensifying the school bachao movement. I think we have already given you the press note. हम इस देश का पहला छात्र संगठन थे जो जिन्होंने इस मुद्दा को उठाया था. Since COVID, since lockdown days, there has been a huge increase in dropout rates, both in schools and higher education. और उसके बाद उस टाइम से ही हम देख रहे हैं कि सरकारी स्कूल का जो बिल्डिंग है वो दूसरे चीज़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है. सरकारी स्कूल्स के बिल्डिंग क्लोज्ड होते जा रहे हैं, मर्ज्ड होते जा रहे हैं और कमते जा रहे हैं. अभी एस्टिमेट कमिटी इन द लास्ट पार्लियामेंट सेशन, what they have come up with is horrific data about our future generations. 73% of students are getting dropped out before completing 12th standard. और इसमें मोस्टली लड़कियां होते हैं, मोस्टली दलित, आदिवासी, माइनॉरिटी सेक्शन से, जो सोशली मार्जिनलाइज सेक्शन से है वो होते हैं. क्योंकि ये ड्रॉप आउट्स बढ़ रहा है, क्योंकि एक इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस impending on the family. So the kid of the family, instead of completing pursuing his or her education, they have to go to in search of livelihood. और उसके साथ साथ जो सरकारी स्कूल्स कम होते जा रहे हैं पूरे देश के अंदर. सरकार के हिसाब के अनुसार 94,000 government schools have been closed down in the last decade, and at the same time private schools have increased by 40,000. So this is a clear case of government withdrawing from the public education sector and the private enterprises जो कि मुनाफा करने के लिए आएगा, वो उस वैक्यूम को ले रहे हैं. शिक्षा का खर्च बढ़ते जा रहा है. In many cases these private schools are very low quality schools, but the people are being compelled to take low quality education with higher expenses, where जबकि वो हमारे देश के जनता आसानी से पब्लिक स्कूल्स में जा सकते थे अगर सरकार का ध्यान होता पब्लिक स्कूल्स के ऊपर. तो द डेटा दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, 94,000 UDISC प्लस डेटा है, हमारा ACR का डेटा है, CMIE का डेटा है, बहुत सारे सोर्सेज है. खास करके गवर्नमेंट सोर्सेज, वी आर साइटिंग द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सोर्सेज. As I have mentioned, 94,000 government schools have been closed in the last decade. Private schools increased by 40,000. Then 73% of students getting dropped out before completing 12th standard. There's huge disparity among the number of primary schools and secondary and higher secondary schools. That is also a huge problem. गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स हैव लॉस्ट लगभग 86 लाख स्टूडेंट्स, जबकि प्राइवेट स्कूल्स में 88 लाख स्टूडेंट्स बढ़े हैं. प्राइवेट से दिक्कत नहीं है हमें, बट नेता लोग जब आके वोट लेते हैं हमारे, तो ये भी उनका एश्योरेंस रहता है कि हम तुम्हारे बच्चे का शिक्षा का व्यवस्था कर देंगे. When the government schools, enrollment in the government schools are declining by such sharp numbers, it is definitely a problem that needs to be taken care of. With Andhra Pradesh topping the list, more than 1 lakh schools have only one teacher. More than 1 lakh schools. Our public schools are heavily understaffed. एक टीचर है, वही मिड डे मील बना रहा है, और या फिर जो मिड डे मील बना रहे हैं वही पढ़ा रहे हैं. पूरा का पूरा पैंडेमोनियम है हमारे देश के अंदर. With these concerns, since COVID, over the last 5 years, SFI has been taking this issue up very seriously throughout India. In many states, we have had huge major movements. School Bachao is naam ko leke. We are very happy to see that now it is being recognized as a public issue throughout the country. And the Gen Alpha that people are now talking about, they are coming down on the streets and they are voicing their dissent about the dismal condition of public schools, and they are not fearing government repression anything. So now that it is taking up public imagination. Now it is the whole issue is capturing public imagination. We want to renew our struggle. We want to intensify our struggle with the School Bachao movement, with Amra Ram MP, uh, with Amra Ram MP inaugurating the convention last year, 2025, in December in Gwalior. We had a School Bachao convention with students coming from different parts of the country where they expressed their problems and all. अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर, अभी अगस्त हो चुका है, ये शुरू हुआ है. Right now in many states all these surveys are being done by SFI leadership are visiting the schools. They are coming up with ground report, ground reality क्या है वो समझने के लिए our people are going. August, September, October तक it's a 3-month long campaign that we will have throughout the country. What happened? Is it good? Okay. So, August, September, October 2026, we are going to have a 3-month long intensive campaign throughout the country, School Bachao Andolan. इसका हम ऐलान करते हैं इस प्रेस मीट से. What are our demands? Very shortly. Increase public investment in education. Allocate 6% of GDP into education and 10% of budget. That was the recommendation of Kothari Commission back in the 1960s. आज का क्या स्थिति है? इस नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में भी they have reiterated the thing, but today also सेंटर स्टेट कुल मिला के 4% से ऊपर नहीं गए हैं एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन एजुकेशन. So increase public investment in education, especially school education. Number 2, very importantly, repeal NEP 2020. NEP 2020, National Education Policy 2020, is the policy that has been consistently talking of merger of schools in the name of modern school complexes and closing down of schools. ये जो हमारे देश में पिछले 10 साल में लगभग 1 लाख स्कूल्स बंद हुए हैं, इसके पीछे एक नीति है. This has not happened out of accident. It is the central government's policy of not pursuing with dying schools. They want the schools with bad infrastructure to die down instead of reviving them. तो ये NEP 2020 को कैंसल करके, स्क्रैप करके एक प्रो पीपल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी लाना पड़ेगा. Thirdly, रीओपन ऑल क्लोज्ड गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स. ये जो 94,000 का हिसाब गवर्नमेंट खुद दे रहा है, हमारा हिसाब इससे भी ज्यादा है. According to our estimates, it has already crossed 1 lakh. These schools have to be reopened. In every block, in every village, schools are to be made, because if a government school is closed, no matter if you have a better school 10 miles away, the girl student will automatically suffer. The Dalit will automatically suffer. The Adivasi will automatically suffer. The poorer section, the Khet Mazdoor ka bachcha, the Chote Kisan ka bachcha will automatically suffer. They cannot travel to a school that's 10 miles away. So all neighborhood schools, all government schools जो जिनको बंद किया गया है पिछले 10 साल में, state governments should take responsibility, central government should give direction and funding. Education is a concurrent subject. Reopen करना पड़ेगा.